The casual income does not include. Casual income is money earned irregularly or infrequently from activities outside regular employment or business. It doesn't include income from primary work. 1. Salary and wages, income earned from regular employment, including salaries, wages, bonuses, commissions, and other forms of compensation received in exchange for work performed as part of a formal employment arrangement. 2. Business income, income generated from ongoing business activities, such as sales revenue, service fees, profits, or earnings from operating a business or self-employment. 3. Investment income, income earned from investments, such as interest income from savings accounts, dividends from stocks, capital gains from the sale of assets, rental income from property, or royalties from intellectual property. 4. Pension and retirement income, income received from pension plans, annuities, retirement accounts, social security benefits, or other forms of retirement income. 5. Regular allowances and benefits, income received as regular allowances, benefits, reimbursements, or perquisites provided by an employer, such as housing allowances, travel allowances, meal allowances, or medical benefits. 6. Recurring payments, income received on a regular or predictable basis, such as monthly stipends, recurring grants, ongoing royalties, or periodic distributions from trusts or estates. 7. Profits from business operations, income derived from the regular operations of a business, including sales revenue, service income, operational profits, or business-related gains.